In this video, I'm going to show you 20 simple ways, life hacks and tips that can help you fall asleep quickly. Good sleep is incredibly important. It helps you feel good and makes your body and brain function properly. Some people have no problem falling asleep. However, many others have severe difficulty falling and staying asleep through the night. Poor sleep can have a negative effect on many parts of the body and brain, including learning, memory, mood, emotions, and various biological functions. Here are 20 simple ways to fall asleep as fast as possible. Number 1. Listen to some music. Studies have shown that classical music, or any music that has a slow rhythm of 60 to 80 beats per minute, can help you lull into a sense of sleep. In a 2008 study, students aged between 19 to 20 who listened to relaxing classical music for 45 minutes before bed showed significant improvement in sleep quality. They also reported decreased symptoms of depression. Number 2. Invest in a comfortable mattress. If your mattress is old and lumpy, replacing it might solve your sleeping problems. When shopping for mattresses, always test options in the store by lying down for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Go for an option that's soft enough to meet your comfort needs, but make sure it's firm enough to provide a good support for your back. Number 3. Hide your alarm clock. Make sure your clock is out of sight and resist the urge to check the time. You'll never fall asleep if you're constantly checking the clock and thinking, if I fall asleep now, I can get at least 5 hours of sleep. Also, the light from a digital alarm clock can also keep you awake. Number 4. Turn off the electrics. Using an electronic device late at night is terrible for sleep. Watching TV, playing video games, using a mobile phone and social networking can make it significantly harder for you to fall and stay asleep. It is recommended that you disconnect all electronics and put away computers and mobile phones so you can ensure a quiet place free of distractions. You'll be able to fall asleep much faster this way. Number 5. Cool your room. Did you know that your internal body temperature is integral to regulating your biological body clock? When you're falling asleep, your body temperature drops slightly, which some experts believe actually helps the process along. The National Sleep Foundation recommends a bedroom temperature of between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit for the most sleep-friendly conditions. Number 6. Use aromatherapy to soothe your senses. Try adding lemon balm oil, chamomile oil or lavender oil to a hot bath. You could also purchase an oil diffuser with reed sticks, light candles or even use a linen spray. The aroma of these flowering herbs may also relax your nerves, lower your blood pressure and put you in a relaxed state. Number 7. Eat a small healthy bedtime snack. Whilst you should avoid heavy meals within 3 to 4 hours of bedtime, going to bed hungry can keep you up. If you're peckish, go for a small snack rich in protein and complex carbohydrates. Try having a banana, an avocado, some peanuts or peanut butter or cheese with whole grain crackers. Number 8. Visualize things that make you happy. Instead of lying in bed worrying and thinking about stressful things, visualize a place that makes you feel happy and calm. Participants suffering from insomnia were able to fall asleep faster after they were instructed to use an imaginary distraction. This technique helped them occupy their mind with good thoughts instead of engaging with worries and concerns before sleep. Number 9. Experience both daylight and darkness. Light can influence your body's internal clock, which regulates sleep and wakefulness. During the day, exposing your body to bright light tells it to stay alert. At night, darkness promotes feelings of sleepiness. In fact, research shows that darkness boosts the production of melatonin, an essential hormone for sleep. Get out and expose your body to sunlight or artificial bright light throughout the day. If possible, use blackout curtains to make sure your room is dark at night. Number 10. Avoid naps during the day. Due to poor sleep at night, people with insomnia tend to sleep during the day. This often leads to daytime napping. Whilst naps of short duration have been linked to improvements in alertness and well-being, there are mixed opinions about the effects of napping on nighttime sleep. Some studies have shown that regular long 2 hours of sleep or more and late naps may lead to poor nighttime sleep quality and even sleep deprivation. Number 11. Avoid the noise. Try wearing earplugs if you're dealing with constant, inescapable noise. Small earplugs or bigger noise-eliminating earmuffs could prove the tranquil soundscape you need to drift off to sleep. If you find earplugs or earmuffs uncomfortable, you could also try sleeping with a blanket or soft pillow over your head. Number 12. Avoid drinking caffeine or alcohol at night. Stay away from all caffeine before bedtime, as this is a stimulant and can keep you awake. And whilst you might be tempted to reach for a nightcap, alcohol can throw you off your sleep cycle and lower your sleep quality. Number 13. Exercise. Exercise during the week to make yourself feel tired and promote sleep, but avoid working out at night. Regular exercise can help you fall asleep and improve your sleep quality, provided you don't work out before bedtime, that is. Exercise is known to boost the production of serotonin in the brain and decrease levels of cortisol, that's the stress hormone. Number 14. The 4-7-8 method. The 4-7-8 breathing technique is a well-known method to relax you by increasing the amount of oxygen in your bloodstream, slowing your heart rate and releasing more carbon dioxide from the lungs. To use this technique, you have to place the tip of your tongue against the ridge of the tissue just behind your upper front teeth and keep it there through the entire exercise. Exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound. Close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose to a mental count of 4. Hold your breath for the count of 7. Exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound to the count of 8. Repeat the cycle 3 more times for the total of 4 breaths. Number 15. Milk. Your grandma knew what she was doing when she'd heat you up a glass of warm milk before bed. Milk contains the protein A-lactalbumin. This protein contains high amounts of amino acid tryptophan, which produces melatonin, the hormone that induces sleep. Studies show that diets rich in tryptophan, including egg whites and pumpkin seeds, help improve sleep. Number 16. Practice progressive relaxation. Recommended by the National Sleep Foundation as a way to fall asleep fast, progressive muscle relaxation involves slowly tensing and then releasing each muscle in your body to help your body relax. Start by tensing and relaxing the muscles in your toes and progressively work your way up to your neck and head. You can also start with your head and neck and work down to your toes. Tense your muscles for at least 5 seconds and then relax for 30 seconds. Number 17. Get on schedule. Many people find that setting a sleep schedule helps them fall asleep easier. Your body has its own regulatory system called the circadian rhythm. This internal clock cues your body to feel alert during the day but sleepy at night. Waking up and going to bed at the same time each day can help your internal clock keep a regular schedule. Once your body adjusts to this schedule, it will be easier to fall asleep and wake up around the same time each day. Number 18. Adjust your sleep position. Good quality sleep may depend on your body position during the night. There are 3 main sleeping positions: the back, stomach or side. Traditionally it was believed that back sleepers had a better quality of sleep. However, research has shown that this might not be the best position to sleep in, as it could lead to blocked airways, sleep apnea and snoring. In fact, a study done on 16 people determined that the participants who reported consistent poor sleep spent most of their time on their back. Although individual preferences play an important role in choosing sleep position, the side position seems to be linked to high quality sleep. Number 19. Get up and do something relaxing if you can't sleep. If you can't fall asleep after 30 minutes, leave your bedroom instead of tossing and turning. Try reading, taking a hot bath, listening to soothing music or having a light snack as mentioned earlier in this video. Do the activity for 15 to 20 minutes or until you start to feel drowsy, then head back to bed. When you get up, keep the lights dim and avoid looking at your phone, computer, television or any other electronic screen. Number 20. Try sleep enhancing supplements. Certain supplements can help you fall asleep faster. They have been shown to encourage sleep either by boosting the production of sleep-promoting hormones or by calming brain activity. Supplements that can help you fall asleep include magnesium. Magnesium helps activate the neurotransmitters responsible for sleep. Doses of 200 to 400 milligrams per day taken with food have been shown to improve sleep. The next one is 5-HTP. This boosts the production of serotonin, which has been linked to the regulation of sleep. Doses of 300 to 500 milligrams per day taken either once daily or in divided doses seem to be effective in treating insomnia. Melatonin is a hormone naturally produced by the body, but it can also be taken as a supplement to regulate sleep. Doses of 0.5 to 5 milligrams taken 30 minutes before bed seem to improve sleep quality. The next one is theanine. It's an amino acid with sedative properties. Although it has not been shown to induce sleep, it could help with relaxation. Doses of 200 milligrams per day seem to be useful. The last one is GABA. GABA stands for gamma-aminobutyric acid. GABA is a compound produced in the brain that inhibits certain transmitters and may help the central nervous system relax. Doses of 250 to 500 milligrams and no more than 1,000 milligrams are recommended. If you would like any more information on the supplements I've just described, you can click on the link in the description below, or you can also click on the link in the screen. The bottom line is, if you're having trouble falling asleep and staying asleep, not only is it frustrating, but it can also affect your mental and physical health. If you use the techniques in this video, it will help you fall asleep quickly while sleeping much better and having more energy the next day. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you've ever wondered why you twitch or jerk before you fall asleep, then you need to watch this next video now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.